Hey guys, welcome to Back 40 Garage. Today we're going to be talking about this 52 GMC that we just rolled in. The point of the episode today is to basically do a walk around, assess what we've got, assess the condition, show you what this truck looks like before we ever touch it, the condition that it's in. We're going to check to see if the motor's locked up, but basically walk this truck, show you what we've got, and us kind of make an assessment of what we've got to do from here. Now, I will tell you that this truck has really cool background. It's got a really cool story that as we build this thing out, as we work on it, we're going to reveal more and more of that story. So check back with us as we build this thing. And right now, we're going to walk it and see what we've got. All right, so we're just going to walk this truck. I'm going to show body condition, rust. I'm not going to get in a rush here. I just want to let the truck speak for itself. You can see it's kind of got some work that's been done to it in the past. It's got an old custom bumper on there, missing the grill. Tires are definitely, I don't know, we might get a couple hundred more miles out of those.
Oh yeah.
What do you think, Declan?
I bet we will.
I bet we can get a couple hundred more miles.
Them suckers look perfect.
All right, walk us down this way. But pretty straight old truck.
Got a door.
It's got a door.
Tough as nails.
Open that door up. I'm going to show the step here real quick and the bottom of the door. Usually you get a lot of rust down in these door bottoms, but this one just has a lot of moss, algae growing on it. The step, not in too bad a shape. That's just a lot of trash up in there, but no rust through anywhere on this part. So that's not bad. Missing the side badge there on the hood.
Yeah, but I bet we can get one of them.
Yeah, we can get one of those.
What goes here?
Got a cracked windshield. Window rubbers are going to have to go. That, what was you saying? That
goes here?
Is a mirror, where a mirror mounts.
Okay. But I was thinking it'd probably go on the door. But
it's got a door handle. Go ahead and open it up. Let's check out the inside while we're coming down this way.
It's pretty rough. Pretty rough.
Pretty rough, isn't it?
At least it came with a battery.
You think we'd put a trickle charger on it?
Bet we could put a trickle charger on it.
You know, the old truck at least is not too hacked up in the dash.
Has a little bit of rust down over here.
Where at?
Down, like right in there.
Yeah, you can kind of see the ground in a couple spots, but a lot of dirt and rat turds first that need to be coming out of here.
We can fix that rust down there, weld something in there. Broken glass.
Old battery. Think that seat might need to be redone?
Maybe just a little. Maybe a few patches here and there.
A little patch. Throw a blanket on it or something.
Yeah.
Okay, and then step and cab corner here. Looks like they've plastered a little something on there and a little bit of rust through, but not bad for this age of truck. Step and fender wells, not too bad.
I like the hubcaps, like the bulge.
It's got a broken glass there. We did get some glass that goes with the truck. You like the hubcaps?
I like the wheels on it.
I think that's the only one that come on the truck, and it's a Chevrolet hubcap.
And I like the hubcap. Have to get some more of them.
Bed condition. What's the bed condition look like, Declan?
Not good.
Not good, huh?
Not good. Just kind of rotted out.
Might need a little bit of lumber to go in there. Hey, it's got a decent bumper.
Wait, did that hubcap say Chevy?
It said Chevrolet.
This is a GMC. I guess it's the same thing. But...
Got a cool, clean bumper and tailgate. Tailgate's in good condition, not beat up or bumped up.
Yeah. No, I like the tailgate on it. There's a ding right there.
Cab of the truck's clean.
Yeah.
This fender well here does have a little bump in it and on the top. But on this side, even cab corner had a little bit of patching at some point, it looks like, but
That's expected.
not too bad.
This door won't open.
That door won't open? All right, we'll have to work on that. And on around to the front, missing the badge on this side as well.
And our antenna.
Had a little bit of work there.
All right.
But overall, pretty solid survivor.
Yeah, definitely.
Declan, go ahead and raise that hood and let's take a look at the engine bay and see if we can't get set up to see if this motor will turn over or not.
There we go.
Now we have peeked into the engine bay, but we have not done any work. But it appears to be
Very
a
simple.
pretty complete truck. And this has got what I think to be a 228 GMC motor. It does have a Chevrolet valve cover, but all the research I've been able to do shows this
Used
to be a 228 GMC motor.
And looks like the valve cover is repainted either blue or repainted orange. They're blue, but there's some orange there.
It is missing that carb right there, but we got a single barrel carb, and I think he said it was the one that came off of this truck. All right. Well, I am going to see if I can get set up and see if this motor will turn over. So as you can see, we've got a mess of rat nest and leaves and grass and dirt down in here. But the main thing I want to do right now is see if I can get this motor to turn. And the first way I'm going to try to do this is on the belt and the fan. It's got a fan belt on it and it feels pretty tight. Declan, can you see this crank down in here? Can you see where my fingers are right there?
Not really. Yeah, now I can.
Right there?
Yeah.
That's what I want to see if it turns or not, okay?
Okay.
That's the crank pulley. And if we can get that dude to turn, then we know that this motor is free and not stuck. So don't film me, film the crank pulley down there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Is my light helping you right there?
Yes.
I'm gonna try to push down on this fan or pull on this. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, did it move?
She moved.
That moved, didn't it?
She moved.
Dude, that is awesome.
That's
All
golden.
right, that's back the other way. That is definitely moving. Okay, let's stop there. And what we'll do is we'll pull those spark plugs. We'll lube those cylinders because there is no telling how long it's been since they've moved. So we know it will move. We know it's free, so we're gonna lube those things up before we move them anymore. But that's good news. Awesome. All right. All right, Declan's getting geared up with trash can, vacuum cleaner, face mask, gloves to start tackling that. Now, we're not fixing anything today. We're not pulling motors today. We're simply assessing, documenting what we've got, and Declan is just rearing at the bit to get in this thing and do something. So I told him, hey, let's start by making the cab safe to work in. And what I mean by safe, it's full of rat turds and trash and just 30, 40 years of dust and dirt. And so he's gonna jump on that and start cleaning that cab out for us. A little progress, just a little progress.
A little bit of progress. All right, so I just got in here to this cab and a bunch of junk. I can already see our either door handles or window roll upper handles. So that's nice, but about to clean her out. So there we go.
Get this old battery out. Old 6-volt. Declan, here's the door handles.
Yeah, that's what I talked about earlier.
And a window. Look at that. Where are they at on that side?
One here and one here.
I know, but did you find any, or are these the only 2 in here?
There's one more down there.
That's a old windshield wiper arms.
Oh.
Them ain't gonna be well, I say they're not gonna be any good. They still got springs in them. All we need is the inserts. That's a good find right there.
Uh-huh.
After Declan got it cleaned out much better than it was, we can kind of see some floor plan rot there.
I figured it out.
So we got a little bit of work to do there.
I figured it out.
Declan, you vacuumed the inside. Did you wash it? I need a wash and a wax on this thing, man.
Well, that's gonna have to wait.
Gonna have to wait? All
I
right.
think we need to get running first, man.
All right, so that does it for today. We did the walk around on this 52 GMC. We documented the condition. We confirmed that the engine block is not locked up, and Declan got us started on cleanup on the interior. So we're gonna see this thing in more episodes going forward. We hope you'll join us on the journey as we bring this thing back to life and get it back on the road. Thanks a lot.